Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO. Hey, that lined up nicely. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is NANABOOZHOO. And I thought we'd start the show outside. Agwaching, as we say in Ojibwe. Agwaching. I gotta say a little prayer before we get started today. I'm gonna ask the Creator to help me speak well. And whenever I pray out here, they say, back in the days of the grandfathers, they would tell us, it is good to come out at sunrise, at Muka'am. Muka'am. Come out at the sunrise. Put out your tobacco. Say a little prayer. It's not going to kill you, you know? So, Asema, tobacco. Hello, Great Spirit. BOOZHOO Gitchimanadu. Accept my tobacco. Odapanan Niwi Asema. Please help me to speak well today. Tegawi duka wishin. Ando minawe nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech kaiji kakinagegu. Kaiji chikean nungum. Thank you for my life. Miigwech kaiji bamadazian. Thank you for healing my sadness. Miigwech kage niwi gashkenda moen. Thank you for the BOOZHOO crew. Miigwech ga BOOZHOO crew. And thank you for listening. Miigwech ga bizan da wi egg. Ape. Amen. That's what I'm talking about. All right, I better go in. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO. Hi, sweetie. Well, hi, NANABOOZHOO. What's going on? Oh, I came outside to put out my tobacco, but I'm ready to come in. Okay, hang on. I'm going to pick you up. All right. Let's see, scanning for your coordinates. All right. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No. Hey, there he is. Hey, baby, what's going on? Not much. I was just hanging around having coffee with Michael. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO Niji. Ladies and gentlemen, rockstar cartoonist Michael Lyons. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the show. And you're just having a little of the black medicine water? Yeah. Are you ready for our celebrity news segment? You gotta believe it. Now, up next. Today is Ojibwe word of the day. Sweetie, today is Ojibwe word of the day. I got up just early and I wrote it out. Ah, baby. Baba Majimo. Baba Majimo. Baba Majimo Nungum. The news today. The other day I was talking about news and I called it the Dabaji Moen. Which it is. I mean, that's a story. You can call the news a story. We call the newspaper the Babama Jimo Moen. Babama Jimo Moen. Ugh. It's hard to say that first thing in the morning. A newspaper. But the news, Babama Jimu Nungom. The news today is celebrity news with the lovely and the talented Natasha, take it away, nee weenie Mushane. Miigwech, weenie Mushane. Thank you, sweetheart. BOOZHOO! And welcome to Celebrity News on BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. My name is Natasha, and, what? Nothing. Today is important in celebrity news. Home sweet home. I don't know who this is. Gisela Bündchen. Gisela Bündchen, sweetie. Oh, yeah, that's that one lady. Gisela Bündchen visits new Miami mansion, still under construction following Tom Brady split. Oh, is Tom Brady a football player? Yeah, I think so. I think they got a divorce. Oh, okay. The Brazilian supermodel quietly made the real estate purchase before the former couple announced their divorce in 2022. Oh, they divorced in 2022. Nobody's in love anymore. Yeesh. What happened to Elaine? I don't think that's Elaine. That's not Elaine from Seinfeld? No, that's somebody else. Oh. Bad Blood. Bethany Oh, it's Bethany Frankel. Bethany Frankel pitched a show to Bravo just months before calling it grotesque and depraved for treatment of reality stars. It was grotesque and depraved. You got to treat your reality stars better than that. They might grow up to be president. Catherine McPhee keeps a low profile at airport following nanny's sudden death. All right. Billie Eilish gives update on relationship with Jesse Rutherford following split. Oh no! They seem so good together. Busty display. Oh, here we go. A busty display. Sofia Vergara. I don't know who any of these people are. Sofia Vergara. Oh, I know who this is. Shows Joe Manganiello what he's missing at sister's birthday. How is this news? I don't know. I mean, who cares? Look, a 50-year-old's boobs. All right. And finally, Bethany Frankel. Ring off Joe Manganiello's wedding ring and first sighting since Sofia Vergara. Oh, they're divorced. Sweetie, they're divorced. I don't know. I mean, what hell? If celebrities can't stay together, what hope do any of us? Are we going to divorce? We're not even married. Oh, right. Are we going to break up? Oh, probably. No, my heart breaks. Well, there you go, kids. And this has been your celebrity news. Back to you, NanaBOOZHOO. Okay, thank you, sweetie. And there you have it. All the celebrity news you need to know. And then some. Yeah, I'm kind of out of touch with these celebrities. I know. It's Sofia Vergara. Yeah, she was on the Modern Family. Yeah, she was like the young girl, but she's not even that young. Married to the older guy. Married with children guy. Yeah. Oh, what a scandal. This young, hot 50-year-old is married to the old, not so hot 70-year-old. What a Modern Family. I don't watch that show either. Did you notice that Frankie and Michael's show is just taking off? Yeah, there was like 300 people watched it. I'm a little, I don't know how to feel about it. What do you mean? I don't know. I mean, we've been doing our podcast for 4 years. Frankie Graves comes over and talks about weed for 15 minutes, and the internet just blows up. Hey, let's watch these guys. Must be nice, Michael. I can't explain it. Do you guys know what we're talking about? Michael Lyons has a spin-off show called Quitting Weed. You know, we might as well, since nobody's watching our show anyway. I'm going to react. Quitting Weed. Check, check, check. Check 1, 2. All right, dude.
All right, man.
Just me and you.
Here it is.
How you doing?
Good.
So,
So,
you've been watching. Where are we? Okay.
all right.
You've been watching. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Quitting Weed. Number whatever. I'm Michael Lyons. This is Frankie Graves.
BOOZHOO.
Today we're talking about marijuana and the dangers it presents to society and to families and a scourge. No, this is stupid. Take 2. What are we going to talk about? I should have a topic. It doesn't have to be weed, but weed stories are funny.
Yeah, weed stories are funny.
Sex, drugs, and rock and roll.
Sex, drugs, and rock and roll is being taken up.
Something we both understand. We don't have to get super deep. They're just meeting us.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to ask about the time your dad put his finger in your ass.
No.
It's too soon.
Yeah, that's finale.
Let's just talk about
That's
weed.
finale shit, man. That's finale shit, man. Come on, man.
Okay, still recording.
All right.
Take 3. We'll just talk about weed. You and I are the modern Cheech and Chong.
All right. Cool.
Take 3. Welcome to Quitting Weed. I am Michael Lyons. Today I have Frankie Graves with me.
Hey, what's up?
Frankie, do you want to get high?
Sure.
All right. I didn't think you were going to say hi.
Oh, we're not prepared.
I think you're going to say
we're unprepared.
yes.
So this is fitting.
I remember if I found it really strange the first time I saw Joe Rogan smoke pot on camera.
Yeah.
Because in TV, you can't smoke pot, or you can't even smoke a cigarette in TV, I don't think, anymore.
Oh.
They can't show... Well, movies have drinking, but there's censorship on TV about marijuana and I think cigarettes. You never see anybody smoke on TV anymore.
No, there's a big spin. You know, they don't want to promote it. They don't want, the whole, so there's been the whole change and everything as we see all the time. So,
do you have any friends
growing.
who don't smoke pot?
Yeah, I do. I actually have a lot.
Really?
Yeah, for being like a known pothead.
How can you stand hanging out with them?
You know what? I can, because they don't want to smoke anything I got, so then my shit lasts.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Well, I'm traveling around from state to state, with all of my buddies, going to this powwow and that powwow. They didn't smoke, and as a pothead, you're like, all right, cool. You're not supporting anybody,
It used to annoy me. I had a friend I'm not friends with anymore. Not because of this, but he smoked occasionally, but he would treat it like he would never smoke around me. Okay. And the last time we talked, he was going to go out in the woods and get some chaga tea or something. Asked me if I wanted to come with. I went, yeah, that'd be great, but I want you to smoke weed with me when we're out there. It's fun to be out in the woods high. He goes, well, I got to drive home. Well, what do you think it's going to do to you? But he was just steadfast. He treated it like he was going to be doing mushrooms or acid or something.
Yeah. I have a friend that quit smoking weed, and then when he said he started back up again, it flipped him out, and he couldn't.
Oh, he just lost all his tolerance and turned him into...
Yeah, and he's like, for real, bro, he goes, I even tried, starting slow with, but every time he said, even a little oney.
Really?
Yeah, it would just send him into, all of this.
And he was a regular pot smoker before?
Yeah, he was a regular pot smoker before, but he quit for, I don't know how many years, but it was years, a long time. And then he said he came back to get back into it, and he said it was just totally different.
I wonder if the new weed, maybe he was reacting against something that's in... Because weed's different now when it was when I started smoking.
He did say when he quit, it was still the brick stuff, the
Yeah.
old school,
Just weed.
Yeah.
Now, who knows what's in it? I think there's chemicals and stuff.
So yeah, we're
Because like this, my dealer, you know him,
well,
Dwight.
well, you grew this, so this is
No, he doesn't even grow it. Every time, it's the same thing. He goes, "Oh, this is good stuff. This is lemon mango." And I'm like, the fact that it smells like Febreze doesn't make a good weed. Just give me the crap. And this last time I was like, do you have any weed smelling weed?
yeah.
I'm not looking for mentholated,
Yeah, I think the names are just ridiculous. They're just coming up.
It doesn't help sell. I have no choice.
No.
You could call it dog shit, and I'd be like, okay, how much? Thank you for this bag of dog shit.
And then everyone had God's breath, and they thought it was just the.
Oh, yeah.
And I was like, oh, okay, yeah, all right.
God's breath.
Yeah. What dog breath? Fucking.
Well, you get the idea. Hey, everybody. So that was... what am I doing here? What are you doing? I wanted to make it look like I was reacting. Like I was in the room with those guys. Yeah. Well, that doesn't really work. La 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 la. What did I do with the background? In the most sensational, inspirational, celebrational, muppetational. Hey, sweetie. Yeah? You gotta call a line 2. Line 2? What could that be? Okay. Caller. Welcome back to the show. Or I don't know. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. You're on the air. Hey, NANABOOZHOO, it's me, Paul Stanley of KISS. Hey, Paul Stanley. Michael, it's your hero, Paul Stanley. Hey, Paul, how you doing? Hey there, Michael Lyons. I'm doing okay. I'm doing, okay. Oh, that's great. Is Natasha there? Yeah. Hi, Paul. Hey there, Natasha. How you doing this morning? I'm doing pretty good. How are you? I'm all right. I'm all right. I'm right. It's impossible to believe that you don't do drugs. No, I never do drugs. I'm high on life. I'm high on rock and roll. Because if you believe in rock and roll, you can do anything. You know, NANABOOZHOO? Yeah? We've been given a gift. A gift? What do you mean? We've been given a road. And that road's name is rock and roll! Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. So, anything else I can do for you today? Well, I want to know what the Ojibwe word of the day was. Oh, funny you should ask. Today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Baba Majimu. Nungom. The news today. The news. And Natasha was talking about celebrity news. Hey, I'm a celebrity. Yeah, you sure are, huh? Yep, I'm in KISS. Yeah, everyone knows you're in KISS. Baba Majimu means like the news. News. Baba Majimu. And then what's that other word? Noongoom? And then Noongoom means today. Noongoom, or right now. So what's the word? And you still living in California? Well, I live all over the world because I'm on tour with KISS. It's the End of the Road tour. Yeah, how's that going? Oh, it's going really well. We're rocking and rolling all night, partying every day. I think we just got done doing a show in Norway. Oh, cool. Yep. But, I got to rock and roll. Yeah, I suppose, huh? Baba Jimu Noon Goom. The news today. Yeah, you got any celebrity news for the BOOZHOO crew audience? Well, let's see. What do I know? I don't know. Why don't we pull up the news today? That's a great idea, Paul. The news today. Let me move you. Yeah, why don't you relocate me? We can read the news together. Yeah, that'll be funny. Today, Baba Maji Moonungum. The news today with Paul Stanley. Hey, everybody, it's Paul Stanley. And this is going to be a clip. Okay. Meghan Markle. Meghan Markle, what's he up to? Meghan Markle wears anti-stress patch while Prince Harry is away in Asia. She wears a what? She's wearing an anti-stress patch. What's an anti-stress patch? I don't know. Some kind of bizarre... I think it's probably a nicotine patch. Yeah, what kind? I don't understand. Well, she gets stressed out when Harry's not around. He went to Asia. So... that's in the news. I don't understand how that's news. I don't know. Duchess of Sussex, 42, was photographed on a makeup-free stroll. Oh, she didn't even wear makeup, Paul. That's crazy. I never go out without wearing makeup. I wear a black star on my eye, red lipstick, and clown white makeup. That's right. 'Cause I'm in Kiss! Right. But she was doing a makeup-free day, and but she was spotted with that anti-stress patch. She's stressed out. Oh, look at her now. Look at her now, Paul. Look at who? This girl. Look at Selena Gomez now. Hold on. I got to move myself over. And I'm going to make you a little smaller too. But I'm larger than life. I'm larger than a life-size man. Yeah, I know. Look at her now. Selena Gomez shows cleavage. I can't read this stuff on my children's show. Shows off cleavage in orange bustier after reuniting with Francia Reja. This is what they call celebrity news now, Paul. How come they don't talk about Kiss? I don't know. They'd rather talk about Selena Gomez. Beach Babe, Lori Harvey. What kind of website did I find? Oh, here we go. All good. Layla Kent seen hugging Tom Sandoval after calling him a narcissistic psychopath. A narcissistic who now? A narcissistic, sociopath. These two people I never heard of are had a fight, but now they're making up. On Friday, Bravo fan account posted a picture on Instagram of the Vanderpump Rules co-star while hugging while they were at the beach filming the show. Okay. And this has been Baba Majimo Noongum. The news today with Paul Stanley of Kiss. That's Paul Stanley of Kiss! That's what I said. Oh, I didn't hear you. If you'd like to learn more about celebrities in the news, where can they go, Paul Stanley? You can come to our website, Kiss Online, and you can get tour updates, or you can book a tour on our Kiss cruise, or you can learn a lot about Kiss just by following us on the internet and on Twitter and on YouTube and in your dreams. Yeah, okay. Thanks for calling in, Paul. Hey, no problem, Nanaboozhoo. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you again. Giga wabba min, Mina. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Giga wabba min, Mina wa, Paul. Giga wabba min, Mina wa. Paul Stanley, sweetie. Oh, he's so awesome. Yeah, huh? I'm so glad you covered the celebrity news. That was really important. Yeah. I was hoping that would be funnier than it turned out to be. Yeah, huh? Because we got to do something, sweetie. Ain't nobody watching our show anymore. And oh, good. We got 4 people here. Oh, Steve Treller's here. It's now legal to grow our own weed plants. So yeah, it's great. Bonjour, Steve. Good to see you, buddy. I didn't think anybody was watching today. All right, let me move this over. We've been coming on at 7 o'clock every day. Trying to although yesterday we came on late and nobody watched. I think we had like 4 viewers. But nobody cares here about that. Gigawaba min, Minawa. I will see you again. Anywho, we got anything else for these fine Anishinaabe Doog? Ojibwe word of the day. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Ishkwa. Anoma e. Geeja good. After prayer day. Monday. It is after prayer day. Which doesn't mean we don't pray. It just means yesterday was prayer day. That's all that really means. Yeah, huh? Well, should we call it a show? Call it a show. How long have we been on? And you haven't been up here yet. Well, I did the celebrity news. You want to come up and say hello to Mr. Charlie? We could. All right. BOOZHOO. Nah, you're right. Let's call that a show. Okay. Okay, miigwech. Gabizin Dawiyeg. Thank you for tuning into our little show today. Miigwech. Gabizin Dawiyeg. Thank you for listening. And thank you for watching. Miigwech. Ganawabieg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. A podcast about Ojibwe language and Ojibwe culture, sweetie. That's what I hear. Yeah. The lovely and talented Natasha. Thank you, everybody. And over there, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. And I will see you again. Ki Gawabamin. Minawa. La da 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 dum. Hoka hey. And live stream.